Okay, so we got a 5th gen 4Runner. Everyone knows that, and we love it. So there have been rust issues here on some 5th gen 4Runners around here. So I'm gonna make sure the plate comes off, and they do behind the plate up in here and around here. Welcome back for a new episode, folks. Terry on Down the Road Productions, and this is round 2. I think you guys know that we just had about a week ago or so, had our GX 460 done with an exterior polish at Mr. C's. So we brought the 4Runner. It worked out really good. We're gonna do it and share the experience with you again, and hopefully it's just a quick video. We do recommend, you know, a yearly polish for your vehicles. We don't care what you own. It just really impacts the longevity of the vehicle and trade-in values in our opinion, and keeps it looking fresh. And of course, you know, you get that nice shiny pop. It feels like you're back in a new vehicle after they're done with their work. So let's have a great episode. We appreciate you. Thank you for all you do for our channel. Thanks for sticking around for this episode. Let's go. Let's have a great episode, and God bless. Okay, so we got a 5th gen 4Runner. Everyone knows that, and we love it. So there have been rust issues here on some 5th gen 4Runners around here. So I'm gonna make sure the plate comes off, and they do behind the plate up in here and around here. We don't have any rust. And I think one of the reasons is, again, you know, the yearly polish we put on the truck. Here you can see our rust-free receiver hitch. We have a video on that as well. Came out great. Let's come around here. So that's one area I'll have them focus on. No damage at all here, none. I think I got one small rock chip somewhere up here. I don't even see it. I'm gonna have them hit this front area, because you know, when you do drive, it's that microscopic dust that always hits around here, and I'll just have them focus on this area. Just, you know, it's just a good idea. Coming around here, I've talked about this minor scratch before. I promised color chip. It's kind of like right in here. I'll have them polish. You can't see it, I don't believe. I'll have them polish here a little bit, and that's really it for the areas to focus on for the 4Runner and this visit. Okay, folks, let's have a great episode. Let's keep this going. Hey, I'm here with Alex at Mr. C's, and he helped us on our GX 460 last time. You know, Alex had a big question. What brand of wax do you use here?
We use, it's called 3D.
Okay, there you go. It looks beautiful.
3D, we got a couple different type of waxes.
That'll go on the truck?
Yep.
Okay, fantastic. All right, so I'll just show you the truck, the areas to focus on, and the keys are in it. Okay, so, you know, this truck's pretty much damage free. You know, just here, because, you know, this is where
you wash it all the time too, right?
Oh, I bring it here all the time.
Yeah.
Well, I just take good care of it. I'm not OCD, like I was telling you. It's just, they're only new once. Okay, here, there's like a surface scratch in the paint here, right here.
Oh, okay.
Can you see it?
Yep.
Yeah, you can rub on that if you want, okay? Okay, and then the only other spot I think would be of this license plate. It's got to come off, and you got to get behind here really good, okay, and up around here.
License plate off?
Yeah, I have a screwdriver in my truck. We can take it off right now if you want.
Okay.
And that's really it, Alex. And then I'll go grab breakfast and chill.
Sounds like
and come back and get the truck. And Alex, Teresa says thank you for the good work on her truck.
Nice. Tell her I said
we're just getting the plate off to, you know. So some 5th gen 4Runners, believe it or not, have a rust issue around here. Can you believe it?
Really?
Yeah, we don't. I've owned 4 of these, and I've never had a rust issue at all.
Most people don't take care of their cars like you do.
That's funny. That's funny. I just follow the maintenance and do a yearly polish. But yeah, I mean, you know, I tell our viewers it's your money. No one cares more about your money than you.
I'm just gonna pop this right in the trunk.
Yeah, that's right. There you go. That's really it. Alex, thank you so much for doing that. Okay, so for an extra $30, you're going to clay bar it too.
Yep.
I'll take it.
I always like to tell people, like come feel this right here.
Yeah, I think you're right. I actually think you're right.
Remember feeling it?
Yeah.
And then later when you feel it, you're going to be like, oh my God, this is smooth.
I want a clay bar. And you know, dumb question, you do the roof too, right?
Yep.
Okay, rock and roll.
Yep.
Yeah, and maybe too, above the windshield, that area. Just right above the windshield line.
Oh, like between the sunroof and the windshield?
Like here, yeah. This gets it by on the highways.
Bugs and everything.
Yeah. All right, just sitting here chilling. I think I'm gonna go walk and grab breakfast. It's gonna take a couple hours for them to do the 4Runner. So for me, I hadn't considered getting the truck clay barred, so it's getting clay barred as well for an extra $30, which I think is a great idea. So it's kind of exciting, you know, to have a truck that's over 3 years old that still looks new. And again, guys, you know, I'm not OCD with our vehicles. We just take care of them. You guys know, not to be repetitive, we do a yearly polish and we follow the maintenance, and we do 5,000 mile oil changes. That's it. These vehicles are driven and used, and it doesn't take a lot to keep them looking new. All right, so let's keep going. So hey, for this part of the video, we're just going to walk back. They're working on the 4Runner right now. We'll just check out the progress.
Black Chevrolet Suburban, all set on door 3. Black Suburban, all set on door 3. Thank you.
Okay, they are starting work on this, and we got the same polisher we had last time. Exciting. And you know, it's already in great shape, but that yearly polish I think helps keep the paint finish protected and everything else. And this is your table of magic right here with everything they use.
Hi.
There's Scott. Let me see. Oh yeah, that's a huge difference with the clay bar. Right on, Alex. Right on. I even got Scott working on my truck. Wow. Scott, you're too kind.
I was bored.
Yeah, right on. Hi, Nina.
Hi there.
Hi, this is Nina. Hello, Nina. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Really appreciate the guys. They work so hard on our vehicles.
Good.
Just want to say thank you from us.
Of course, of course. I'm glad that you're happy with our services, and looking forward to continuing to help you with your vehicles.
Well, hopefully some of our viewers will take advantage of this too now. And Scott said come up here and get Nina on film, so I did. Thanks, Nina.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Bye. This is a rim before a polish. You can see the cloudiness here, and I'll show you guys in here our rust-free 5th Gen 4Runner, over 3 years in Michigan, and I think you guys know we never had it rust-proofed. Okay, let me come up here, and here is a completed rim. Look at that, better than brand new. And I'll show you the rust check again. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. This is just beautiful. Just a beautiful looking rim. And I've always said this truck, you know, has got 80%, 85% TRD in it. And we love it.
I could do this one a little bit better. I started doing this on the second rim.
Oh yeah.
You know, get that.
So these are the actual TRD Pro rims that came with the TRD Pro version. And this truck had them, right? And I'm like, there's just no way. That's too cool for me.
Yeah.
All right, so you know the 4Runner rust issue, this is all polished out. All polished out, see that? That is amazing, guys. Thank you. I never expected that at all. So our dog loves this truck, if you can't tell. She owns, this is her domain back here.
Yep.
Yeah.
It is done.
Oh my gosh, Scott.
Yeah.
I
So
love you,
we're
brother.
just doing we're doing a check over.
Okay.
Alex got interrupted, but he's checking it over.
Right on.
And we'll make any touch-ups that we need to.
Okay.
Then we'll get a second check, and then she'll be free to go.
Okay, yeah, no rush, and I appreciate you.
Yeah.
And I'll just go outside and do my close down sequence then.
You got it.
Yeah, this is beautiful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I think I got to put the license plate back on.
Yeah, all you.
Okay.
All right, so for the first round check, what we're doing is we're looking for any type of film on the car, residue from the wax. The best way to do that is to look down the car from both angles. Right in here, if you come over here.
Okay.
It'll really show up. It'll show up instead of being reflective.
Right.
It'll be dampened.
Right.
So we look down the whole car.
Okay.
That's why we have our towels, because we could just take care of it really quick
Oh,
instead
for
of
sure.
marking it and having a guy come back and do it.
Oh yeah, right.
We're also looking for any type of light scratches that we might be able to polish out with a heavier grip polish.
Yeah. There's only one actually I can think of.
Oh yeah?
Right here. It's like in the surface right here.
Oh yeah. That's a good dent there. I'd call that a dent.
Well,
Almost.
I'm going to Dr. Color Chip it. I think Dr. Color Chip will get rid of it.
They'll do a good job. They'll
So
at least
my
get rid of that.
Teresa's wedding ring went right across that.
Ah,
you know how you open
must
the
be a
door?
nice ring.
It actually is.
Awesome. Yeah, and you can feel it if you take a towel and kind of brush over here.
Okay.
Grab a towel and just go right over your paint. You can feel how smooth that is.
Oh yeah, that clay bar was worth it.
Yeah, and so what we call this too, as you look into the paint and you can see the things behind you, we call that depth of vision.
Right.
It's another thing that wax does with these paints.
Right.
It just gives it a luster.
Yeah.
From about 5 to 10 feet away.
Right on. Yeah, I can't believe this is 3.5 years old.
That's beautiful.
I know. You know, I think Carfax will still give me 54 for it. You know that?
That's awesome.
I know. I know.
How much was it off the lot? See right here?
54.
Wow.
I know.
So see that right there?
Yeah.
That's just a little bit of wax residue. I don't know if you can get that on the camera.
I can.
You just
Okay.
wipe that right off.
Okay. Yeah, not even the stickers last a couple years.
Yeah, can't beat a Toyota.
That's it.
We'll
Yeah.
go through here, kind of get in these.
You know, I had one day last summer where I drove this up Orion Road, and you know how you make that left turn onto Orion? One of my viewers saw me in his 4Runner turning out.
Nice.
He saw the truck and everything, and he wrote in comments on my channel, "Hey, I saw you on Orion Road."
Nice. So you got a lot of local viewers, right?
Oh yeah, I always 4Runner will come into the channel because we're a big 4Runner channel.
Right on.
But you know, I expanded to Automoto because you know we've got 4 seasons in Michigan, and I work in the auto industry, and I ride motorcycles, so I just put it all in one bucket. Okay, time to wrap up another episode here at On Down the Road Productions, and the truck is right behind me through that window. She's done. Looks better than new. It looks so good. I'm actually going to stop at Fox Toyota on my way home and show it to Craig, who sold me the truck 3.5 years ago. And boy, you know, it feels like it just feels like I got the truck today, not 3.5 years ago. It looks that good. We hope you guys take our advice to at least once a year, no matter where you live, what part of the country, get a once a year exterior detail at a minimum on your vehicles. They'll pop like new, and they'll be worth more money. The paint finish will last longer. More money, of course, you know, when you sell it or go to trade it in. We really appreciate you guys watching this episode. I think, you know, we just had our Lexus GX460 done a week or so ago, and today was another good day to have this done. It's nice, cool weather, which is good for wax. You know, we appreciate you guys. Thank you again for watching this episode. We love our 5th Gen 4Runner. Let us know in comments what you think about this advice you get from On Down the Road Productions. Guys, until next episode, life is definitely not fair. Just keep doing the best you can do. We're on your side. We're zero bull, zero shill. We think of you, we really do. No one cares more about your money than you. That's how we approach everything on this channel. So today was $169. I paid $30 extra for the clay bar, which really made that surface smooth on the truck. I had a $20 discount, or it would have been $189. So a $20 discount. and we paid a $30 extra. This is Mr. C's Car Wash and Detailing in Rochester Hills. If you're in Michigan, definitely take your vehicles to Mr. C's for this $20 off thing and a great exterior detail. Other parts of the country, I'm sure you can find good detailing specials. I really do. Guys, until next episode, God bless. Have the best day.